This video is to show you how to change the line in a Kobalt 40V Max Brushless battery-powered trimmer. This is a great trimmer, and the best part, the line is super easy to maintain in this thing. All you're going to need is some 16-foot section of line. Make sure you pay special attention to the diameter. You really want nothing more than 0.080 in this thing because it's going to get clogged up and not work like it's supposed to. We'll put a link for this product in the description. To get started, super easy. You have an arrow here and an arrow here. We need to make sure that those arrows are lined up. And to line them up, turn the top part counterclockwise, and then right until they're pointing at each other. And when they're pointing at each other, you're ready to put line in this thing. Right here it says line in with an arrow beside that. I'll show you real quick. We're just going to put the line right into this, and it's eventually going to come out the other side. It's so easy to do. So you take a piece of your line, the 16-foot pre-cut line, insert it into this side, and as you keep pushing, it comes out to this side. Now the trick is you want to make sure that you have the same amount of line on this side as you do on this side. So I always just take it out and match up the ends. It's pretty simple to do. That way it'll come out right in the end. All right, so now I have the line matched up over here, and we are ready to go. This is where it gets real simple. All you're going to do now is take this top piece, you're going to hold the bottom piece, take the top piece, and turn it counterclockwise. And you're just going to keep turning it. And as you turn it, it winds up the line inside of this thing. And you just keep going and keep turning until you have about, I don't know, 4 to 6 inches on this side, 4 to 6 inches on this side, and you're ready to go. It's that simple. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up.